How are you? Wherever you're watching this video from, this is Sichamba Jacob. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and please tell people that you think may benefit from my teachings to also subscribe and be able to follow my videos. Whenever I post something, they are there, they are notified. And also don't forget to set the notification bell, okay? Like, comment. All right, so in this video, we'll try to look at standard deviation in paper 2. This is an exam question which came in 2017. So how do you find the standard deviation? They've given us the table. Let's look at the table nicely. So this is a table right here. They've said there are 48 newspaper vendors. So on top, where the class intervals there, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 45, 40 to 45, and so on and so forth. Those are copies of newspapers. And the numbers below where they're saying number of vendors, that's a frequency, okay? So to find the standard deviation, we're going to use the formula. Standard deviation is equal to the root of, okay, summation of f of x squared over summation of f minus x bar squared. This is the formula that we are going to use. So our first thing will be to find the mean. This one means it's a mean. So we will say x bar, which is the mean. Now we go to the frequency table and check the numbers of vendors. Where it's written numbers of vendors, we're starting with 5. Get a 5 there. Okay, put it under brackets, plus, followed by 4. You put it like that, plus, followed by 7. So follow the steps nicely. Yes, you have 11 here, plus we've got a 12, plus 8. I'm running out of space, so I'll just put 8 here. Okay, 8 plus a 1. So for 1, we just put the brackets. So now everything that we have right here over the total number, which is 48, like that. Okay, so now what is it that we're supposed to put in the brackets? What are we supposed to put in those brackets, the brackets that we have? What do you think we must be putting, or what do you think we must put? All right, without wasting much of our time, check where 5 is. The class interval there, it's 25 is less than x, less or equal to 30. Okay, so the class interval looks like this. 25 is less than x, less or equal to 30. Okay, this is how it looks. And then down here there is a 5. Okay, now we want to find the number that we're supposed to put inside the brackets here. So what we'll do, we'll get these two numbers. Okay, so we get 25. Okay, from the table, 25 plus 30. Okay, we're getting 25 plus 30, we're getting a 55. So we say 55 divided by 2, that's 27. So here we are going to write a 27.5. We got 27.5. Okay, so this is how we find, meaning we're trying to get the midpoint, the number that is in between 25 and 30, which is the 27.5. Let me give you again another example. For the next one, we've got 30 is less than x, less or equal to 35. So we'll do the same, and here there is a 4. We'll do the same. We'll say 30 plus 35 divide, equal to, and then you say divide by 2. That is the 32.5. 32.5. Okay. So we do the same next year. We have 35 plus 40 divide by 2. That is the 37.5. Next there we have 40 plus 45. 40 plus 45 divide by 2. We're getting a 42.5. Next we have 45 plus 50 divide by 2. We're getting a 47.5. The next there we have 50 plus 55 divide by 2. We're getting a 52.5. And lastly there 55 plus 60 divide, before you divide by 2. We're getting a 57.5, like that. So this is how you do it. So now after doing this, we now punch on our calculator so that we find the mean, because we're doing all this thing to find the mean that we're going to put right here in the formula. So we'll start with the 5 open bracket 27.5 close plus 4 open 32.5 plus 7 open there 37.5 close plus 11 open 42.5 close plus 12 open 47.5 close plus 8 open there 52 plus 0.5 close plus 57.5. This is what we have, the 57.5. So we're getting a 2045. So we say 2045 is what we are getting when we punch all these numbers which are on top. We divide by 48. So when we divide by 48, what are we getting? We're getting this number right here, 42.604166 and 7. This is our mean. Okay. So we've figured out what we're supposed to be putting, or what we're supposed to put right here where x bar is. Okay. Now we have to figure out what we're supposed to put right here. So without wasting our time, we copy everything, okay, from this stage. So we have 5 open 25.5 plus 432.5. Just copy everything. I'll tell you the reason why we are copying. So you just copy everything. Okay, everything the way it looks. We're almost concluding, so you just copy everything. We have 57.5 here, everything over 48, sorry. So now you start putting a power 2 here, power 2, power 2, power 2, power 2, power 2, power 2. Okay. So after doing this, get your calculator, start punching now. 5 open bracket 27.5. Okay. Close power 2 there plus 4 open 32.5, just like that. So you just copy everything that you're able to see. The way it looks is what it's supposed to be. Okay, So just keep on copying like that, like that. So I'm just copying everything. Don't forget the power 2. So everything that you're able to see is what you must put. So now after punching on my calculator, I'm getting this over 48. So the reason why we are putting a power 2 here, I said I'll explain, it's because here, the process of finding mean, this is the process of finding a mean like we did here. But when finding mean, you don't put a power 2, okay? But for this stuff here, there is a power 2. That's why here we have put this power 2 so that we can come and get this value right here. So now you say divide by 48. What are we getting? We're getting 1878.125. This is what we are getting. So now, getting our formula, or going back to our formula, let me write it here. Standard deviation is equal to, we have summation of f of x squared over summation of f minus mean squared, or x bar squared. So this is, and this is what we need to use. So we'll say equal to, from here we'll say equal to square root, and then we'll start with this, because this right here is for this. So it will be 1878.125 minus the mean. This is the mean, 42.601466667. Everything inside the brackets, okay? This side supposed to be inside the brackets, and then power 2, okay, for the mean. So now we can punch on our calculator. So we will say, get your calculator and start with the 8. What is inside? 8 or 1878.125 minus open bracket. So we just work out what is inside here, 42.60667 close, and the power 2. So we're getting a 63.0099823. Okay, so this is what we've gotten. Now we want to get rid of this root, square root, so we just punch on that root, and then we say equal to. So we're getting a 7.94 in 2 decimal places, okay, or 3 significant figures. This is 7.94, and this is our answer for this question, okay? Watch the next video where I'll be showing you on how to work out or to plot the cumulative frequency.